Hello everybody. Today I unbox some iPod. Okay, let's see it. Okay, here. This is the iPod. Let's unbox it. See what happened. You want to see this? Yeah. This is iPod. iPod is 32 gigabyte. And I think the latest iPod Touch 32 gigabyte space, and this is a great color. And what you want to see on the side? That's the iPod, and that's on the back. The front. Let's open it. Oh, they have the thing here for you to peel. Oh, I break it. This is a small. It's very small, like a phone. And inside, they have a card, they have the cable, and they have the earphone. And this is iPod, and you just peel it. And have it. Let me peel this out. Let's see. And then you take it out. Ah! I press somewhere. It's on. It's on now. Oh. Now it's asked me, and then that's setting up. English, US, so we'll set up later. But I show you this one to see. It's gonna look like the iPhone. It's the same with the iPhone, iPad. They have a calendar, clock, and camera, and setting up, and all stuff. This is similar with the iPad. And I think it's the iPhone too, because I don't have an iPhone. I don't know, but I think it's similar. This one is similar to iPad. I do have iPad, but I don't have iPhone. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you next video. I will show you how to tap. Yeah, I forgot to show you on the back here. Thank you. Bye.